All around social media, there is a buzz about manifesting. There are endless videos about manifesting techniques and testimonials about the success of the method. The positive social media information about the law of attraction and manifesting greatly outnumbers the voices saying that manifesting doesn't work. Even Christian churches are encouraging congregants to create vision boards. Dr. Downs says let's break down the hype and take a deeper dive into the concept. The basis of The Secret, vision boards, and all manner of manifesting come from the New Thought movement. The New Thought movement, a philosophical and spiritual movement that gained prominence in the late 19th century, serves as the foundational bedrock for contemporary manifesting practices. Originating from a diverse array of influences, the New Thought movement emphasized the power of the mind, positive thinking, and the belief that individuals have the ability to shape their reality through their thoughts and attitudes. The roots of the New Thought movement can be traced back to the Transcendentalist movement of the 1830s and 1840s, with thinkers like Ralph Waldo Emerson and Henry David Thoreau emphasizing the individual's connection to the divine and the power of intuition. Phineas Quimby, 1802-1866, was a mesmerist and healer who believed in the connection between the mind and physical well-being. Quimby's teachings emphasized the role of incorrect beliefs in causing illness, setting the stage for the later emphasis on the power of positive thinking within the New Thought movement. Mary Baker Eddy, a student of Quimby, founded Christian Science in the 1860s. Christian Science incorporated elements of New Thought philosophy, emphasizing spiritual healing through prayer and the power of positive thinking. The term, New Thought, was coined in the late 19th century to describe a range of metaphysical and spiritual beliefs. Prominent figures in the early New Thought movement included Warren Felt Evans, Emma Curtis Hopkins, and Thomas Troward. In 1889, Charles and Myrtle Fillmore founded the Unity School of Christianity, a significant branch of the New Thought movement. Unity blended Christian teachings with metaphysical principles, introducing ideas that would later become integral to manifesting practices. Vision boards, as encouraged in Christian churches today, find their roots in the teachings of Unity. Ernest Holmes, a key figure in the New Thought movement, founded the Church of Religious Science in 1927. Holmes's book, The Science of Mind, became a cornerstone text for the movement. The principles outlined in this book, including the idea that our thoughts shape our reality, continue to influence modern manifesting techniques. Perhaps one of the most notable contributions of the New Thought movement to contemporary manifesting is the law of attraction. The Secret, a popular book and documentary, brought this concept to a broad audience. The law of attraction posits that like attracts like, and positive thoughts can attract positive outcomes, a fundamental belief rooted in New Thought philosophy. Today, the New Thought movement's influence is palpable in the plethora of manifesting techniques circulating on social media. Vision boards, positive affirmations, and visualization exercises all find their roots in the New Thought movement's emphasis on the power of the mind to shape one's reality. So, as a traditional Christian, is manifesting biblically supported? Dr. Down urges us to navigate this question with a thoughtful examination of how manifesting aligns or diverges from traditional Christian teachings. Manifesting practices often align with certain Christian values, particularly those related to faith, positive thinking, and the belief in God's providence. The act of envisioning a positive future, setting goals, and affirming one's intentions can be seen as an expression of faith and a reflection of biblical principles that encourage hope and optimism. However, concerns may arise when manifesting is driven by materialistic desires or the pursuit of personal gain at the expense of ethical considerations. Traditional Christian teachings often caution against excessive focus on worldly possessions and the potential pitfalls of materialism. Dr. Down encourages individuals to scrutinize their manifesting goals to ensure they align with the broader spiritual values espoused in Christianity. Another consideration for Christians is the acknowledgement of divine sovereignty. While manifesting encourages individuals to take an active role in shaping their reality through thoughts and intentions, it's crucial to balance this with an understanding of God's ultimate control over the universe. Dr. Down emphasizes the importance of humility and submission to God's will in the face of personal desires. Certain biblical stories and verses may be interpreted as supporting the idea of visualization and positive confession. For example, Proverbs chapter 23 verse 7 states, "For as he thinketh in his heart, so is he," suggesting a connection between thoughts and one's reality. However, Dr. Down encourages a careful and contextual interpretation of such verses to avoid misapplication or misrepresentation. For Christians, prayer is a central practice that involves seeking guidance, expressing gratitude, and presenting one's desires to God. Dr. Down emphasizes that incorporating prayer into manifesting practices can provide a bridge between personal intentions and divine guidance. Aligning manifesting efforts with prayer allows individuals to engage in positive visualization while maintaining a spiritual connection. In conclusion, Dr. Down underscores the importance of personal discernment and a thorough understanding of biblical teachings. While aspects of manifesting can align with Christian values, individuals should approach these practices with a critical eye and ensure that their pursuits are grounded in ethical considerations and a genuine love for God.